Lisa with the WTI, and today I want to talk to you about my barbell squats pack. This has been a game changer. Not only does it protect my back when I'm trying to do squats with the barbell, but it's also anti-slippery. Something I loved about it, it's so easy to assemble. As you can see, it has no attachment to it that you have to open then place it in the barbell. It just lifts right on. And it's just so easy and practical. I also love using this when I'm doing the hip thrust. That way my pelvic area, it doesn't hurt with the barbell, with the metal here. So this is a great tool if you like exercising, if you go to the gym. You're not gonna find these at the gym. Or if you do, they're gonna be pretty sweaty. So it's pretty practical and convenient for you to bring your own. It's very inexpensive. It's very lightweight. As you can see, you can carry it on your backpack, on your gym bag, and it's not gonna weigh much. I love it, and I know you will too, and that's just my point of view.